Hi, my name is Melissa Gordon, and I'd like to be your Green Birdie production video spokesperson. I have 20 years of experience working as a model and an infomercial host for many companies, including Trim Spa, Jägermeister, Lanier Jeans.
Are you enjoying yourselves? You look beautiful.
Absolutely, thank you.
What do you think of the parade?
I'm gonna go this way.
It was really fun.
The Fire and Ice Show is the kickoff event for the annual festival. Okay, what was the award for?
Well, I've been here from the very beginning.
It's really cold. It's really cool.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I am so glad to be here with Mr. Jimmy Webb. I love it. Master, your wish is my command. I love you, Master.
Wow, life is better on the boat.
Thank you, and I look forward to working with you.